Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap View Wallet. And from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, manage your passes and add new passes, like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, full list of participating banks, and you've got access to password manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. Next, you can go to help and feedback and contactless setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.